Hi, good afternoon. I am here at this lovely community here in Nevada Trails doing an open house, and I want to show you how adorable this home is. And each area of this home actually offers no space wasted. It's fantastic. The layout is just darling. So I want you to stay tuned, but first I want you to see what's outside here. So stay tuned to the end, and I know this home won't disappoint. See ya. So I am sitting in this lovely courtyard. It has a gas fireplace right there. So whether you are a coffee drinker or an adult beverage drinker, what a fantastic area. Just sit out here in any time of season and have your coffee or your adult beverage. It's just adorable.